It's me, your best friend Rain, and today I'm here with Ghost Boy. Ghost Boy, how did you get here? Who's Ghost Boy? Okay. I'm here with Doggo. So, we are just waiting for people to join. Yes. Oh, here's Redleaf. So let's wait for people to join. I made this code. I made this, I guess. Now we gotta wait. Oh. Well. Oh, he's back. Alright, let's start. We are going to start in a little bit, so. Here we go. I'm a crewmate. Alright, let's do this. Let's go. Go to storage. I played this game a little bit off camera just to see how it is. And I actually like it. Oops, I'm not supposed to be here. Where am I gonna go? I don't know. Where am I supposed to go? Here we are. I'm supposed to be here. So, blue, red, yellow. Oh, frick, 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 frick. What's the code? 3, 4, 9, 2, 7. Okay. Oh crap. Oh crap. Okay, we got it. Woo! So close. We almost died. Alright then. Back to storage and murder. Dead body. Who was the murderer? Oh boy. I don't know who it was. No! It wasn't me! It wasn't me! It wasn't me. I wasn't the imposter. It was Andy! I knew it. I knew it. Alrighty then. So, now that I got everybody here, let me just customize myself real quick. Maybe sky blue, put on new hat. There. And of course, he changed his color back. He got his color back. Good job. Good job, Bradley. Good job. So, okay, Bright, here's your thing. Write in the comments, how your day was, and, if you didn't like your day, then leave a dislike, and if you had a good day, leave a like. Alright. And if you also feeling down, leave a comment. I will motivate you, even though I'm not the best at motivation. Okay, thanks. So, let me just dance. I'm just gonna do a dance. So, I'm gonna stand in front of Doggo. Hi, Doggo. I think we'll do 5 rounds, maybe? Is anybody gonna join this? Thanks. Oh! Let's start. We're gonna start in a little bit. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Here we go. I'm a crewmate. There's one imposter among us. I wonder who it is. I hope it isn't Waya. It was. Of course it was. So, electrical. Let's go to electrical. I'm a spooky ghost. Ooh, spooky. Use. Okay, Doggo is here. They don't know where I am. Because I'm dead. They'll know that I died. Where do I go? Oh, right here. Oh, frick. Not the oxygen. I don't need it because I'm dead, but I don't think I can do it. Oh, they found my dead body. Yeah. Yeah. It was Wea. It was Wea. Okay, it was Wea. Hopefully they don't boot off the wrong person. Hopefully they don't boot off the wrong person. Next. Mr. Brown and admin. Wea has voted. Doggo has voted. Radleaf has voted. You gonna vote, Mr. Brown person? Cool. I think that's kind of racist. I don't know if that's racist or not. Okay. Ooh. No. They voted for the wrong person. No. 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 One imposter remains. No. Emergency meeting. Press the emergency meeting button. Yes. Yes. They think it's orange. They think it's orange. They think it's orange. They think it's orange. They're voting for the person. They're voting for the person who thinks. We're voting for the person. He voted for himself. Bye bye. Bye bye. We 0 imposters remain. Victory! I think that's 2. Oh, god dang it, ad. That is 2 rounds. Two rounds up, 3 to go. I wanna customize myself. Ba-da-ba. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Alright everyone, Doggo is sad. Please say happy things to Doggo.